Okay, here's our dog kennel water heater. It's going now. I've just got the hose on the input and output in loopback mode. You can hear the pump is going. That's the boiler right there. Inside there's a 2.4 kilowatt kettle element, and over here is the PID controller. It's currently set to 45 degrees. It's showing the actual output now. There's a set point. There's 3 switches on the front, from left to right. That's to turn the unit on. One in the middle gets the pump going. One on the far right turns on and off the heating element. And just as a safety fallback, there's a thermostat, a 90-degree thermostat sitting right up against the boiler there. So in case it ever runs dry, then it'll turn off as soon as it hits 90 degrees. And up here we've got our reservoir to keep everything primed. Any air that gets caught in the system just bubbles up through the overflow and fresh water comes into it. The next step is to attach it to the dog kennel and see how it heats.